Okay, so here, so this will be switched on and off. So what? Okay, so here. So one of the advantage here of this modality is that nana siya pre-program nga mga parameters for certain conditions. Like for example here, indication. So when you press that one, nana siya ang mga cases, if ever yung arthralgia, arthrosis, if you're going to further choose that bursitis, arthritis, yeah, hamburger, epicondylitis. If ever siya epicondylitis, you just press that one. So, is it local or regional? So, local. So, you do have their parameters na, the type of modality there. This is more isodynamic. This is more, saan i-use niya? Differential ba or what? Or diadynamic CP yung use. Yeah, igo na lang ka ba plus electrode and then adjust the intensity. So, usually this is the trending ng mga modality there that there's the pre-program ng mga parameters para lang yun mahalin ang mga modalities there. So, what's one advantage? But the disadvantage there, especially for the therapist, is that tendency the therapist will not anymore use his thinking or analysis of the parameters nga iyang i-apply. Kailangan may preset. So, matayad. So, na tendency, if ever naanad mo preset, na encounter ninyong modality nga walay preset, there are times na maratol na mo sa inyong parameters. So, there's a problem there. Okay? So, then going back, siya. So, here, with this machine, you have electrotherapy and biofeedback. This is combined. So, when you press this one, electrotherapy, so you can now have this unidirectional, although there's direct current, diadynamics, tense, and surge current, and interferential. When you press the tense, so you have conventional, low frequency, your burst, your frequency modulation. Ano siya? And if you have interferential, so you have 2-pole, 4-pole with vector scan or without. Okay? So then, you can even have here, so mana siya, so ini-press na ninyo sa, so nana na siya tanan. So, igo na lang mo apply sa electrodes and start to pwede na niyo i-adjust if you want to further adjust.
Gamit ko na nito.
Dili. You even have diagnostic program here, like kani siya. You have your UBs, your Conexi, your UBs, accommodation quotient. Although I haven't tried using this one, so nagmano-mano na try mo siya. Okay, so there. Okay, so let's discuss on biofeedback here. So, mani siya ang biofeedback. So, this is now the bar display there. Ano siya? So, daghan lang kayo ka-adjust so na if ever sa problem niya. So, here, you're going to now choose which channel. So, how to choose the channel? You just press this one. And then, try to press this one. So, you have channel A and B. You have channel A and P. Or you have P. So, what is P? P stands for pressure. So, with regards to the pressure, it now will not get the motor unit action potential but pressure here. But biofeedback yapon siya. So, what are those mga example wherein we can apply this pressure? Those mga cases like if ever you have this bowel incontinence wherein patient cannot control the anal sphincter there or what, and you want to further do some exercises there, di ba, and then if you want to at the same time do a biofeedback, so you can do this pressure. But different ang electrode sa pressure ha. So it's not the electrode for EMG, morning electrode as ang use, di ba, for motor unit action potential. But for pressure, Right-shot yung electrode. So, this the electrode being used there. Yan siya. So, this would be connected to this one. Ilaro na i-connect na siya. I-remove na siya, i-connect. So, here. So, you just imagine this. You have your, here, as I mentioned, your anal sphincter there forever. So, this would be inserted to the anus. Of course, you have to ask permission. Sir, ma'am, I'm going to insert this. So, would you allow me to insert this one? Alright. So, mani siya. Of course, expecta nga na yung mga lubricating materials there to be placed para mo-slide this siya forever. So, just imagine okay lang sa mind self. Since your anus, of course, you have to insert that one. Okay. And then, na siya. So, you have to tell your patient, okay, ma'am, it's just like you're defecating or imong gikat ang stool mo. You try to apply a pressure on the device. Of course, you have to tell your patient to first defecate sa libang sa before you do this one. Schedule niya.
Fasting siya before doing that.
So, and then as a patient, okay, ma'am, I want you to apply the pressure that I took on, and then you will now see na ang bar mo go up and relax down na siya. So, this sample of pressure. Although we haven't tried demonstrating this one kay sensitive ka ang part. Mauwa na kayo mag-ibutan diri, hindi mo ganyan how much more kung anus ang i-display mo. So, at least you know nga, pwede niya siya for it. Naman, type of mga rehab aspect. So, nakita na parang.
Tabunan ba daw na, sir?
You can have a proper draping there that after inserting the device there, pwede na siya i-cover for privacy. Although usually cubicle naman na siya, so it's morely the therapist and the patient naman siya. So expect na ka, as therapist, kita na dyan ka, di ba? So we allow the patient, kasabot, okay na siya makita sa therapist. Same na sa doctor, di ba? Okay naman na if ever makita na sa doctor, kay for treatment purposes mo siya. Okay? Okay, so how to further adjust this one? So, the adjustment. So, let's say you have channel A naman siya. So, next thing is to adjust for your threshold level. So, at the moment, this is 25 microvolts. Okay, so how you're going to adjust for that, so, money siya adjustment. You press this one. Okay, so happens there, you can now see, kung kanina mga ikuan, this is the increments. Ang gap ba pag-increase. So, you have by 10. So, if ever kung by 10, pasabot mo change niya sa by 10. For example, yung na i-change, ma-increase ka. So, observe ka na 25, na-increase. So, by 10 siya. So, 35, 45, 55 by 10. Okay, if ever ganun ka larger gap, so imo siya i-change again. So, you probably have 100. So, change mo na. So, 100 mo siya. So, may siya na kay 185, 285, 385, 485, 585, 685, 785. Ano siya? Okay. So, let's just say you already have decided mo na siya. So, the next here is to further assess another card. So, here, kani siya. So, you're going to now adjust for the contraction, for the duration of the feedback there. Okay? Feedback siya. So, here, at the moment, it's 4 seconds. So, if you want 10 seconds, or let's say, 6 seconds na. 6 seconds na feedback time, duration. And then, 5 seconds rest. Let's say, 5 seconds. Ay na, 10. 5 seconds rest. Automatic sa na, yung treatment time mo, adjust na siya. Yeah, the sequence there is in one cycle, say after feedback, after rest, pila ka cycle man siya ang probably sequence. So let's just say you just have 10 cycles or 10 sequence. Okay, so there, if ever you place that to 10, ano siya 10. Okay na siya. So, balik na sa 10 dito. So, with regards to this aspect, okay na siya. So, balik na siya. So, kinsay magkuhan as patient. Wala. So, tingog niya. Sila, tingog niya. Tingog.
Pero okay na siya.
Ano na po.
Ano na yung buting sir?